one touch and transmission with no vaccination. A very good morning to everyone, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I, Bavleen, the student of BBA first year, Guru Nanak College, is here to talk about the most important issue called coronavirus, called COVID-19. I really wanted to participate in this because I want to make people believe that we can overcome this pandemic. In December, while Wuhan province was witnessing the beginning of actual COVID-19, India was facing massive and violent uprisings. Despite the first case in India appeared in January to finally declare a 21-day lockdown with only 4-hour notice. This announcement, as in France, has triggered the migration from cities to the countryside, but of completely different nature. In India, day laborers, internal migrant workers, and the poorer deprived of resources, and has decided to return to their native villages. Most of the migrants find themselves with a debt of around rupees 70,000 to 1 lakh rupees. Conversely, lender demand their due and refuse to lend. Reserve Bank of India has announced the suspension of loan repayment, but this does not concern the small financial companies because even though they are the one which target the poorer section of the society. So at last, I want to conclude my speech by saying that how can we overcome this pandemic? In longer run, by investing in agricultural sector would help regenerate the economy by assuring the food supply and the reducing the urban rural gap. I'm really thankful that I got this opportunity to make people aware about this pandemic, and I hope we will fight together. We will fight together. Thank you.
We are in this together and we will get through this together. A very good morning to all of you. My name is Mansi. I'm standing in front of you to share my few words on the topic coronavirus. A dramatic spread of the novel coronavirus known as COVID-19 has spread immensely across the globe. It is an increasingly challenging situation, a situation of disruption that has caused our life to death, a disruption which brought grief to some, financial difficulties to many, and enormous changes in our day-to-day life. WHO has declared COVID-19 as a pandemic and has issued some basic hygiene guidelines in order to follow to prevent this outbreak from the spread, such as washing our hands with soap or alcohol-based sanitizer, use of mask, keeping a distance of at least 1.8 meters, and use of handkerchief while sneezing or coughing.
ਗੱਲ ਕਰਨ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ ਕਰੋਨਾ ਵਾਇਰਸ ਬਾਰੇ। ਕਰੋਨਾ ਵਾਇਰਸ ਇੱਕ ਅਜਿਹੀ ਭਿਆਨਕ ਬਿਮਾਰੀ ਆ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਿ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਲੋਕ ਪ੍ਰਭਾਵਿਤ ਹੋ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਆ, ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੀ ਮੌਤ ਹੋ ਚੁੱਕੀ ਆ, ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਲੋਕ ਅਜਿਹੇ ਹਨ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੁਣ ਵੀ ਹਸਪੀਟਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਏ ਆ ਕਰੋਨਾ ਵਾਇਰਸ ਵਰਗੀ ਭਿਆਨਕ ਬਿਮਾਰੀ ਨਾਲ ਉਹ ਜੂਝ ਰਹੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਕਰੋਨਾ ਵਾਇਰਸ ਦੇ ਕੁਝ ਲੱਛਣ ਨੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕਰੋਨਾ ਵਾਇਰਸ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਸਰੀਰ ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਪ੍ਰਵੇਸ਼ ਕਰ ਚੁੱਕਿਆ ਜਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ। ਉਹਦੇ ਲੱਛਣ ਬਹੁਤ ਆਮ ਜਿਹੇ ਨੇ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਬੁਖਾਰ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਸੁੱਕੀ ਖਾਂਸੀ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਜ਼ੁਕਾਮ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ। ਜੇਕਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਸਰੀਰ ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਇਹ ਲੱਛਣ ਦਿਖਣ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਦੇ ਆ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਕੋਲ ਜਾਵੋ ਅਤੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਜਾਂਚ ਕਰਾਵੋ। ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰੋਨਾ ਵਾਇਰਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਚਣ ਲਈ ਕੁਝ ਸਾਵਧਾਨੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਪਣਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਆਪਣੇ ਹੱਥਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਚੰਗੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਸਾਫ਼ ਕਰੋ।
Guys, today I'm going to share my views on COVID-19. As we all know that our country is suffering from a very stressful situation. But please guys, rather than focusing on the number of cases have been increased, please focus on some positive things such as before COVID-19, young generation didn't have much time to spend with their family. Even families not have much time to
Every
spend
black
with their
cloud
kids.
has a silver lining. An unprecedented outbreak of coronavirus, now called as COVID-19, was first reported in Wuhan city in China, and the first case of COVID-19 in India was recorded in state of Kerala on 30th January 2020. So now I'm going to talk about the disadvantages of this pandemic. COVID-19 crisis has caused an unprecedented collapse between the economic activities from
Guys,
the
today I'm going to
last
share my views on COVID-19. As we all know that our country is suffering from a very stressful situation. But please guys, rather than focusing on the number of cases have been increased, please focus on some positive things such as before COVID-19, young generation didn't have much time to spend with their family. Even families not have much time to spend with their kids due to busy in their rat race of earning money. But nowadays they all need to stay together at home, stay healthy. So such type of positivity things help us to overcome from this stressful situation. Another thing that due to advancement of technological, our environment was much polluted in earlier days, but nowadays we can see very clean environment, so which is very helpful and healthy for our health and help us to remain positive healthy in this situation. So please guys, stay healthy, stay